So here's what I got going on. I picked up this STI scoop ducting because I've got the STI top mount in, and it was recommended to me by Gem Sport that I get some ducting installed in order to take advantage of the top mount intercooler. So that's what I picked that up for. It looks like this is wider than what that's got going on. So that's kind of curious. But yeah, so I'm trying to figure out, because this is definitely too tall, thinking maybe I can cut it at this level. So just cut the metal back, and maybe this is the right height, and maybe we'll fit right up into the scoop there. I kind of compared it with the stock one, which also does not fit the carbon fiber hood, and the one that came with the carbon fiber hood is just junk. It's not even worth it. But this is the stock GT one, so you can kind of see how narrow it is, and it looks awfully similar to that one. So I'm going to see if I can either cut this down and make that work, or if need be, take this whole thing off and then maybe utilize the more fitted version, kind of combining the two, and see what I can get out of it. We'll see. So I cut it down, which was interesting, and it's still too tall. So I think next step is I'm going to try and just pull this whole apparatus off, get this one separated out, and see if I can sandwich, just figure out how to kind of combine the two together. All right, so I mocked it up. I used these to kind of pin it in place. I'd already lifted it up to kind of hear that, but I closed it down, fit right up to this, fit right underneath, and perfectly scoops right in. I have to get rid of this because I don't have a water sprayer, but that's nice to know that that's there in case I decide to hook that up later. But now I just got to figure out how to get the two of these together. I'm thinking just using some short machine screws, since it's just aluminum, and we'll see how it goes. All right, got her on there. I was fighting it, trying to line these holes up. I ended up taking the fiberglass piece that was the scoop portion, overlaying it with the aluminum scoop portion there, and then lined up the holes and just drilled the pilot holes for where they had some plugs in there before. And I was just having a tough time getting it up onto the hood. And then I remembered they have these little hooky dibbers on the thing. You can't actually see it from here, but there's some hooks under there that go into the hood and actually support the back part of this. So I just scooped those in and then lined it up and then popped these guys in, and then, oh, hey, it's holding. How about that? But I haven't closed it yet, so we'll see how it goes here. I'm gonna set you down for a second so I can get this hood thing down. Just hold on. Okay, let's see here. Okay, it closed. That's a good sign. That looks like you can see everything you're supposed to. Doesn't quite seal down all the way once it's hooked up to the hood, so I might have to extend that rubber out a little bit. But that's much better direction than it was getting before. So that's good. Just have to figure out how to make that seal a little better. So, sweet.